Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the range indicator light in your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because it burned out or because the mounting clips are broken, causing it to dangle inside of the control panel. For this repair, you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So our range indicator light is right behind our lens here. So to get to it, we're going to have to turn the stove around and unscrew the back panel. To remove this panel here, we've got 4 screws holding it in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to start with the bottom ones here. And while I undo this top one, I'm just going to hold the panel in place so it doesn't fall down on us when we take the screw out. There we go. Now it'll come right off. You can set the panel off to the side there. Right here is the range indicator light, and behind that is our indicator light lens. So to get to it, we're just going to have to remove that. There are a couple tabs that you can see on this side right there. So we're going to slide this back the opposite way. So it looks like our indicator light lens came off with that, which happens sometimes. It's not too hard though. All we got to do is take that right off and pop it back through the front. So now, to get the wires off, all we have to do is simply just pull them straight off, like so. And we'll set this old one off to the side. Now, grab your new OEM replacement indicator light. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now, we're going to insert the lens into this hole right here. And we should be able to just pop it right in. And it'll stay right there. And on the other side here, we've got our light indicator. And we're going to slide that notch onto the other side of the lens. And it should just pop right on, like so. And now we'll plug it back in. And now we can put the panel back on. Now we're going to want to line up our panel, just like it was before we took it apart. Make sure the hole lines up, and screw it in. Okay. And now we can turn everything back around, hook it up, and your repair is complete. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.